In this video, we will show how to install R and RStudio on your computer. So we know if you want to use R program, you have to install R program, and for most of the people who want to use R program, he usually will use RStudio for the programming interface. So we have to install both R and RStudio. But first, you have to install R program software before you can use RStudio. So R is a popular programming language designed to perform complex statistical computing, data science, and machine learning, and display results using many high-quality visualization. R is free and open source with a user-friendly and a relatively easy learning curve. R has currently over 10,000 packages supported by the R core team and R Foundation for Statistical Computing. So to install R, you have to go to this web page for the CRAN R project. You can search CRAN R project, then go to the Windows, and can select the latest version for Windows here. Then after you have selected this version, then download. Then following the usual process for installation of Windows software, and select the default location for installation. Then step by step you can just click finish to complete the installation. Then next you can install RStudio. For RStudio installation, you can go to this web page. Company is posit.co. In the download page, you can select for the Windows, for example. Then download this program. Then also start installation. Then click finish when the processing is finished. So you can usually install several R version and install one latest version for RStudio. Then in RStudio you can select which version of R you can use. But normally we just install the latest version for R and RStudio. So in the next video we will show how to use RStudio and get started with working R programming. Thanks for watching.